Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are welcoming every one of you to Africana 2020. We are having these fabrics on Mama Oladimeji, and my name is Princess Ololade. The occasion that we normally put on these beautiful fabrics back home, anywhere they are having wedding, naming ceremony. This is a very special clothes back home in Nigeria called Ashoke. Now you can see the beauty on Mama Oladimeji. Now I'll be telling you how you can make this for yourself without you spending much money on your occasion. Let's go as I show you how to make the kile on yourself. Let's go there. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Princess Ololade Oladimeji. We are having an event this evening, Africana 2020. I'm the anchor of the Arab Gili for the 2020 event. Let's go as I try doing mine before any other people. Yeah. Now I'm putting on my cap before doing my gele, the wrap, which is on the occasion for the 2020 Africana event. Yeah, this is my gele. Now, this is my real gele for my wrap to match with my attire that I'm putting on for the event. Let's go the way I'm doing some sample for you, that when you're going out you can easily first one prepare your gele and move out for any occasion. Yeah. In all the hair tie, when you have your 6 years fabrics, after your fabrics is well made, you have your gele, the wrap, which will be nothing less than 1.5 yards remaining for you for the wrap. Now you can see the way I fold my wrap of gele before tying it. You put it together to be equal. Yeah. And I still want my brooch to show. You can knot the hair tie twice, depends on you, on what you want or how you want it to look like. You can see the way I'm folding or wrapping it. Yeah. This is just a quick one for any outing. I'm trying to hand up the hands at the back so that at any time, whatever you are doing, you are so sure of your gele still standing the way you want it to. Now, I'm trying to adjust the front to my taste. You cannot eat twice. Depends on the hands of your gele that you have remaining for you. Now, I believe I am okay with my wrap of gele, and I still feel like adjusting my cap to bring out the beauty. Yeah. You can see the outcome of my wrap, my simple attire gele. Thank you. Now I'm having the people I'm using for going out in Africa. Back in Africa, the one I'm doing first, she is Mama Iyawo style, the original Nigerian fabrics, which is called Ashoke. That's what we're using now. Follow me as we go. You are welcome, audience. Now I'm inviting Mama Oladimeji to the floor. Mama, kindly please come. Mama is sitting down now. We'll continue to do with Mama with her hair wrap. This Ashoke, popularly back home, wedding, naming ceremony, nice occasion. Wherever you see Ashoke back home, signify that there is beautiful occasion back wherever it is. Let's go as I tied Mama's gele, which called wrap. The gele I'm trying for Mama now is the occasion one, which stands for Mama Iyawo. You can see the way I'm doing the hands. When you bring it from the back, you try to knot it together for the beauty of the gele. We can use some pin to hold it together. We can use some pin to hold it together. Sits properly now. Yeah. You can see the beauty of the Ashoke. Now, brings out the occasion. Mama, kindly please give us some little smile. This is Mama Oladimeji. She's the Mama for the wedding today. When you're going to a wedding back in Nigeria, this is how it comes out. You can see that she looks very beautiful on it. This is real African material for the occasion. This is Africana 2020. You are welcome, audience. Can you please check this out? Mama, can you please stand up a little? Let them see the beauty of your dress. Is this, how do you see this? Check it out, everybody. Turn around a little. Yeah, that's it. Smile. You can just give us some little smile. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, from the continuity of where we are on the Africana 2020, now we have another fabric on Mama Oladimeji. This is a fabric from Nigeria. The blue one is from Nigeria. And the other design on it is from Zambia, South Africa. They both use all this design, the color, which we mix together for peace and for love of one Africana. That's why now the remnants of the clothes, which is the tie, I'm having 1 yard with me, which you can make it in any good design. Any different design goes out with it. Maybe you're just going to visit a friend, going to church, or you just feel like you want to have a picnic. You can just look gorgeous as an African. But anywhere the white people sell African clothes, they respect our clothes. They look at it twice. That, oh wow, this is beautiful. Let me show you how to tie this. This is just when you tie this, I'm putting this just one side as a, then you knot it twice. Then you do your this is a nice one. You can see how it looks. It's my dear. How it looks on Mama. This is a beautiful one. We have a white design background on the other side that still goes along with it, just to give more beauty. When you're creating a beauty design, there is no way you can create your design. Depends on you. You can see that we put some little white background on the other side, just to put more beauty. Mama, kindly please stand up and let them see the beauty of your dress and your head. Africa, we are very good in creativity, and she looks too very beauty. She looks beauty. You can see that smile. She's okay. Any one of you can try this at home. Then you can just post it and let's see. Maybe you catch up with the little training that we've just bring out together this evening. Thank you. Follow me as we go. We're coming out with something beautiful again. Thank you.